We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax update. The USDA monthly cold storage report typically generates little to no commotion in the beef cattle industry. The reported monthly amount of boneless beef and beef cuts in freezers averages to around 20% of production over the last 20 years. Cold storage is typically more important for products in the pork and poultry segments, where further processing and seasonal cut demand lead to more frozen inventory. Beef is largely a fresh meat business at the grocery store level, but food service typically uses more frozen offerings. The largest segment of frozen beef is in the form of boneless beef trimmings used for ground beef formulations. CattleFax is projecting U.S. per capita net beef supplies to decline 2.5 pounds per person in 2014. More than half of the projected supply reduction will come from a 10% smaller 2014 U.S. cow and bull slaughter. That will likely place a renewed importance on beef in cold storage, particularly boneless beef. January frozen boneless beef inventories came in at 389 million pounds. That's nearly 2% below the 10-year average and about 7.5% below year-ago levels. To ease the burden of seasonally smaller cow and bull slaughter, ground beef processors kept ample supplies of boneless beef in freezers going into spring 2012 and 2013. Frozen beef inventories are tighter compared to the last 2 years, and cow and bull slaughter over the next 2 months is expected to be 15% smaller than 2013 levels. Each of these factors support an aggressive, supply-based rally to the 90% lean beef trimmings and cull cow markets into the late winter or early spring. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Lance Zimmerman.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.